That's an interesting finch.
They're just waiting for the food to drop. It's funny.
Look at this dove.
Look at that thing. That's a beautiful dove.
It's gonna come right around my coffee. Get it from my coffee cup.
Look at that. Look how big that pigeon is. Oh my goodness.
The male. He's trying to mate the females.
It's so beefy. It probably eats muffins all day long. Look at him.
Look at this dove right here.
It's
The
beautiful.
black spotted neck. Did you get a picture of it?
Yeah. I'm recording all these birds.
Look at that black and white male chasing that female.
Yeah, I see that. Look at that.
He's like, I'm gonna dance. Oh, this one's got an injured foot.
Which one?
That little dove back there with the stripe.
Oh,
in there.
yeah. I see it. Look at...
Oh my gosh. You talk about the birds.
Oh, man, they're starting to figure out what you're doing.
Look at this little one over here.
He's going to make something of himself someday. Oh, look at the injured one's trying to get to you.
Aww. Look it. There you go. Oh, almost fell off. No wonder you're injured. I was trying to help you out
He was
there.
probably trying to do that. He lost his foot.
Look.
There you go. Look at this big old pigeon, just like,
This big
What you
one
doing
here
there?
is gonna attack me any minute now.
what you doing there, huh? What's he doing there? Whoa.
I could become the bird lady so easily. The bird lady in Home Alone.
Yeah. Follow the pigeons. Doves are cooler than pigeons, though. Look, he's still after that one.
He's determined, isn't he?
Yeah.
How fast his head's bobbing.
Look at this.
Hey,
They're everywhere.
look at this other one with the spotted neck, honey, and the red breast.
Yeah, I got a video of that one
Get
earlier.
that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Can you go throw that away?